Good morning, Year 1. So today we're going to do some maths again. We're going to be looking at some teen numbers today and using tens and ones to make those numbers. So we've already practiced this in the week using our tens frames to make those numbers. Today we're going to be moving on and making them in a different way. So have a look at this picture. You can see a part whole, which you should have in your home learning pack. So you need to go and find that out. You'll need that for today. The other thing you can see in this picture are some deans. Now, deans are things that are really helpful when we're learning about our numbers, especially our tens and ones, because you can see in that picture there is something that looks like this, and this is a stick of 10. So we know that when we see a stick of 10, we don't need to count them. We know that that is 10, 1 10. And then the other thing in the picture are some little ones. So we can see we can use these today to make our tens and our ones. Now, I know you don't have these at home, but you can have a go at making your own set of deans. So all you need is a piece of paper. So you can see here, I have cut a strip to make my stick of 10. Okay, so instead of having this, you can have your stick of 10 like this. And instead of having your ones, I've cut up some little squares. Okay, so you can make your stick of 10 and your ones. So you can do that before you have a go at these activities. Okay, let's have a look at our first problem today then. So we have the number 13. So we practiced this the other day. So have a look at this number. How many tens and how many ones? So remember, we need to look at the digits really carefully. The first digit is telling us how many tens. The second digit is telling us how many ones. So in the number 13, we have 1 10 and 3 ones. So you can see there I've used my deans to make that. I've got my stick of 10 and my 3 extra ones. Okay. Right, let's have a look at the next number. So 16. So I've already told you here, 16 has got 1 10 and 6 ones. So today we're going to see if we can move on not only using our deans, but using our part wholes to show how we can partition, which means break them into the tens and the ones. So here you can see on my part whole, I put the number 16 in the hole, and then I've broken those numbers down into the tens and into the ones. So we know 16 is 1 10, so there's my stick of 10 in the one part, and it has 6 ones, so my 6 ones are in the other part. So 1 10 and 6 ones gives us 16. Okay, have a look at this number then. So the number 12. We want to partition, we want to break that into two parts. We want the tens and we want the ones. So think about how many tens and how many ones are in the number 12. Okay, there we go, there's the answer. So we can see there is 1 10, one stick of 10, and 2 ones. So 1 10 and 2 ones give us the whole of 12. Okay, let's have a look at this one. So this time we've got the number 19. So if we look at those two digits, how many tens and how many ones? So we're going to see if we can break those into two parts and see if we can make them with our deans. Okay, so this is what that number should look like on our part whole. So we can see the stick of 10, it has 1 10 and then 9 extra ones. So 1 10 and 9 ones gives us the whole of 19. Okay, so this is your challenge today then. You need to find your part whole. You need to have a go at making your own set of deans, so that stick of 10 and those extra ones, and then see if you can make all the numbers from 11 all the way to 20 using tens and ones on your part whole. We'd love to see some photographs, okay, so can't wait to see them. Bye everybody.